Okay, I decided I want the orange close to that orange, so I'm just going to kind of lift it up and move it on over. Since I have the two there, I thought then the one down at the bottom. I've added the pear and the apple over there, and then one more apple here. I just have to decide which way. I think I'll have it maybe this way against that banana there. Another clove in there. And then I believe we're ready to go ahead and start putting some of the grapes in, because that's going to fill in. So we'll start with the grapes, and then we can add some leaves and things like that. Okay, so this is Maroon, Americolor Maroon color. So I'm just going to take this, mix it up. And then this is a tip number 10, which is a round tip. Pop that in the bag. I thought green would be too much green on there. Okay, so for grapes, if we have them kind of coming down a little bit, so this is a good area here, we can start here, squeeze, let the icing kind of build up a little, and then drag it. So squeeze. So usually kind of start with a little bit of a tapering, and then you can actually build up a bigger area here. Kind of get wider more, so it's like a kind of a triangle kind of a shape. Okay, so we could do that. Then what we could do at the top is just take and do like a leaf like this and like that. Cover that in. So we can kind of do some leaves as we go here. And here we could just add some grapes, like they're just kind of down in there. Okay, this is a great filler back here. I don't really want to hang them too much off because it'll probably slide off when you transport it. This cake is one that I would definitely chill before I took it somewhere. For the handle, and handle's pretty secure, but that's just me. Do a couple of leaves like that. We still have our straw, so you can pull a little straw out here. It looks a little like a little white gap in there. Maybe we'll put a few little, or actually we're going to put a bow there so we don't need the grapes there. And I don't really want grapes in here because the apple's about the same color. It's pretty much between the leaves and the straw.